In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy a table to another Airtable base. Whether you're looking to reorganize your data or simply want to replicate a table in a new base, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and efficient. Let's get started by navigating to your Airtable homepage. Once there, choose the workspace where the table you want to move or copy is located. This is essential as selecting the right workspace ensures you are working with the correct set of tables. Next, click on the Table Name drop-down menu. This will open a list of options related to your selected table. From these options, you need to select Download CSV. This choice allows you to copy the entire table by transforming it into a CSV file, a format that's universally compatible and easy to import. Once you click on Download CSV, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click OK to proceed. At this point, your table is downloaded onto your device as a CSV file. Having it stored locally means you can easily manage the file or perhaps make any necessary changes before importing it back into Airtable. Now go back to Airtable and navigate to the workspace or base where you want to import this table. You'll do this by clicking the plus sign located in the base. This step is crucial because it provides you with the options to either add a new table or import data. From the import options, click on CSV file. Doing so allows Airtable to begin the process of bringing in the data from your previously downloaded CSV file. A new window will open, displaying options concerning file selection. You'll need to click on Browse Files to locate and select the CSV file you just downloaded onto your device. Once you've selected your file, click on Upload One File. This initiates the upload process, where Airtable begins reading your CSV file, preparing to incorporate its data into your new or selected base. After the file is uploaded, you'll see an option to click on Next. Ensure you do this to confirm your selection and move closer to finalizing the import process. Finally, you'll be prompted to click on Import, where Airtable will complete the task of moving your table's data into the new base. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully moved or copied a table from one Airtable base to another. This process not only allows for better data management, but also ensures your workflows remain organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.